Some call it an adult toy store. Looks like there's a party on aisle 15. Others just call it by its proper name, the Home Depot. Today, I'm going to share with you 21 essential Home Depot hacks to save you money, cash, dough, shillings, frog skins, notes, wallet lettuce, loot, bones, bar, coin, folding stuff, honk, lolly, moolah, paper, scratch, or money. It's stuff to save you money. Today on the first tip today is that you can return dead trees, perennials, shrubs, bushes, anything 365 days after purchase. The Home Depot has a 365-day guarantee on any of its houseplants, shrubs, anything like that. If they die, you can dig them up and you can return them. The Home Depot has a 110% price match guarantee. That means if you find a cheaper price of a product at an Ace or a Lowe's or something like that, not only will they match the price, but they'll give you an extra 10% off on top of it. Can't beat that. You should really be stalking those other stores. Tip number 3, you can receive 30 to 80% off on lumber. Ask a store associate where you can find the recycled lumber section. That's pieces that people have brought back that didn't fit or they didn't need. They're usually marked with a purple spray paint. Those can be anywhere from 30% off. Buy the cheap stuff if it works. Tip number 4, if you're spending over $1,000 on a project, talk to somebody at the store. Usually they can get you 20% off on a bulk price. Go over to the pro desk, tell them what your project is, tell them what the amount you're going to be spending, and there is something called a volume discount that may take a few days for them to work through the system, but it's 20% off. We're approaching the end of the summer now. When you walk into a Home Depot, especially now, you'll see a ton of floor models out there. Tip number 5, if you're at the store towards the end of August, those floor models will usually sell for a big discount, between 10 and 20%. That applies to most things in the store. After the major selling season, go to the store, ask an associate, and you might be able to score yourself a discount. And on top of that, if the floor models are a little damaged in some way and you can point it out to the store, they'll usually give you an extra discount on top of that. Tip number 6 is when you have some kind of project coming up that you might need paint for, go to the store, go to the paint section, and you'll find the oops section. People buy these paints, they don't need them, they're not the right color, they return to the store, you reap the benefits. A gallon of paint that might otherwise cost you $30 could cost you like $10 because you got it from the oops section. Tip number 7, get an automatic $5 coupon when you join the HomeDepot.com mailing list. If you're ever in the store, look at the end caps. Tip number 8 has to do with the clearance section, and you usually find a total random assortment of tools and products and stuff like that for big, deep discounts. Now, if you can get over the OCD of having everything scattered all over the place and totally random, you usually can find a deal there. Tip number 9, get yourself a big discount on moving trucks when you use HomeDepot.com. That's right, HomeDepot.com allows you to rent trucks, Penske trucks, and they almost always beat U-Haul prices. You usually can get up to a 10% discount on a reservation. You can get an even bigger discount if you're a AAA member, a student, or a veteran. Tip number 10, on Memorial Day, 4th of July, and Veterans Day, all veterans with an active duty military ID card or a DD-254 can get an extra 10% on their purchases. Tip number 11, head over to RetailMeNot and Groupon for special codes and promos, coupons, all that kind of stuff. Tip number 12, sign up for text alerts. Now you'll get between 10 and 12 texts a month, but you'll also automatically get a $5 off coupon once you sign up. Tip number 13, if you're in the store and you see a damaged item, ask an associate for a discount. You'll often notice that you'll get a 10% discount right off the bat. Tip number 14, I've actually tried several times myself and it is great. You can rent their power tools, machinery, things like that for a fraction of the price it would be to buy it yourself. You can rent it by the hour, by the day. You need a power washer? Well, you can spend $200 to buy one for yourself that's gonna sit in the garage 90% of the time, or you could spend $30 and rent it for the afternoon and have that space freed up for other things in your garage, like dartboard. Tip number 15, shop online. Get big discounts and free same-day pickup. You can buy everything you need, have them put it aside for you. All you need to do is head to the store, pick it up, and go. No more walking around aimlessly for hours in the Home Depot. That actually might upset a few people. For some, it's a sport. Tip number 16, the best time to buy paint are around those 3-day weekends like Labor Day and Memorial Day. Sometimes you'll see discounts for up to $5 a gallon. Tip number 17, join Home Depot's Garden Club and get discounts. Yeah, really. You'll get freebies and members-only discounts when you join their gardening club. Tip number 18, if you're a teacher and you're buying something for your classroom, you don't pay sales tax. Seriously, if you're using the things that you're buying for the classroom, tell an associate and you will not pay sales tax at a Home Depot. How crazy is that? Tip number 19, Home Depot is one of the few stores that actually allows you to negotiate prices. If you talk to an associate and there's something wrong with the package, as we discussed earlier, or you're buying a very large item or in bulk, employees have the authority to discount a purchase or an item up to $50 without authorization. So if you have a good reason, like you're buying a large ticket item or it's damaged or something like that, utilize it, negotiate. The Home Depot specializes in customer satisfaction, so they're willing to go the extra mile to keep you happy. So if it means knocking $50 off a purchase, they're gonna do it. You might as well give it a shot and ask. Tip number 20 is something pretty much everybody knows. Free Saturday morning workshops for your kids. They give them a pin and the cost of material is free. It's a really cool way to get kids into the whole DIY trend and, well, eat up some time between naps and food. And finally, the last tip, stay away from grilling accessories and small home decor. Home Depot kills it in a lot of different areas. These items, they really aren't the best price. Check out Kohl's, Hobby Lobby, Wayfair, Overstock, Amazon. Those are where you're gonna find the best prices for the grilling accessories or the small home decor. Home Depot, they really can't compete with those prices. All right, well that's all the tips I have for you today. Hat tip to the crazy coupon lady. I'll leave a link to her website in the description below. Check her out, she's got a ton of different articles. I'm gonna use her for a few more show ideas, I'm sure. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. New videos drop every single Monday. Remember to follow us on Instagram @_mancrafts_ for cool pictures, memes, updates. Happy saving! And that is a wrap, people. Good work today. Good work. Good work.